Hello everybody, I'm Dan. Welcome to my Java tutorial series. Throughout my tutorials I will teach you Java using just Notepad and the command prompt. The order in which my tutorials are organized on both my website at javacjava.com and my YouTube playlist is designed to maximize learning by building on concepts from prior tutorials. This tutorial is about the import statement. I'm going to open up my browser to javacjava.com, select the menu, click on Java OOP Tutorials. It's my Java Object-Oriented Programming Tutorials page here. I'm going to scroll down to Packages, Import Statement. I demonstrated in my Packages Part 1 tutorial that we could access a class from another package using its fully qualified name. However, it will get really old, really fast if we had to type in the fully qualified name every time we used a class or its members from another package. The import statement comes to the rescue. The import statement must reside after the package statement and before the class declaration. You can use the import statement in a couple of different ways. The structure for the statement looks like this. Import package.ClassName and then semicolon. Or the other way is you can import package.asterisk and then semicolon. Now the asterisk is a wildcard and imports all available classes inside of this package right here, right? So now this packages tutorial mini-series will use packages and classes from previous package tutorials. You will need to keep those packages and classes around to complete the examples in this mini-series. I will modify the hello class in the about me package to use an import statement and remove the fully qualified location class name syntax. Alright, let's go ahead and come down here, highlight this stuff, Control-C to copy, or right-click and select copy, whatever your preference is. And get that off the screen there. Okay, on my desktop I have a shortcut to the command prompt, but if you don't, you can really create one very easily by right-clicking, select New Shortcut, CMD, Next, and Finish. Let's type in Java-C when we open up the command prompt. Java-C is the Java compiler. And we should see all this stuff scroll by. If you don't, if you get an error message, go ahead and watch my tutorial on installing the Java Development Kit. You want to make sure you get that installed and configured properly before continuing on. CLS to clear the screen, CD space backslash, CD is short for change directory, backslash tells it to go to the root. Then I'm going to make a directory called Java, MD-Java, and I already have it, but if you don't, it will go ahead and create it for you. I'm going to change directories to the Java folder. And then I'm going to, which is my working directory, right? I'll type in dir, which is directory command, and then /s, which will take a look at all the subdirectories. So basically, I've got an about me and a location subfolders, and in the about me, I've got the hello Java source code file and the compiled hello class there. And then we've got in the location folder these 5 various different classes and their compiled bytecode. Alright, we're going to clear the screen here, and we're going to modify the hello.java source code file in the about me package. So we'll change directories to about me, and then I'll type in notepad hello.java. Okay, here's where we left it with the part 1 of the last tutorials. The packages part 1 there. So I am going to highlight all this stuff and just hit Control-V. Well, actually, you know what I'll do is I'll just, I'll go up to the top, I'll actually go down the bottom here, paste it in here, and see where basically the changes there that we've got there. So I'm going to put these import statements in up here. I've removed the extends, right? And I removed these 2 lines and replace them with this 1 line right here. Alright, let's go ahead and just get rid of that stuff there. So we still got, this is in the about me package, and now we're going to use the import statement. So I'm going to say import location dot, you know what, I'm just going to do one quick thing here. I'm just going to grab this comment in line, I'm going to throw it down there. Okay, that will work. And then let's get rid of it. Okay, so let me start that over again. So we're in the About Me package, and I'm using the import statement with the fully qualified class name that we want to package and class name that we want to import. Location, and then dot, and then my location class. All right, let's ignore this for the time being here. So what we had before is we'd have to put in, location.myLocation, object type, right? Is going to be a reference variable reside. Is going to be a new instance of a location package.myLocation class, right? Well, by selecting the import statement like this, we can basically get rid of all the the class name or package names there, and we end up with this line here. Okay, so let's go ahead and save this out here. So that was the only difference really on that. So now that we've imported location.myLocation, this particular class, we can directly refer to my location as if it was in the same package or in the same directory or whatnot there, right? So let's go ahead and save this and run it. Type in CLS, Java, what we want to do is go down to the next subfolder down here. Type in Java C, and we're going to compile the about me hello.java. Okay, then we want to run, or we want to invoke the about me package and the hello class inside of the about me package. Oh, you know what? It would probably help if I didn't type in to try to compile it. We want to use Java, the Java virtual machine, to run that. Okay, so hello everybody, my name is Dan. I live in Orlando, Orange County, Florida, United States there. So that's basically the way that works there. So the other way that we can use the import thing here is we can do import and then package name and then dot asterisk, and that says go ahead and import all of the available classes there, right? Now, you might be thinking, okay, I know there's like 5 classes in that location package, right? And you're right, there is. But now in my tutorial here, I specifically worded as available up here, right? You can use the import statement in a couple. Where did I put the available? Right. Oh, here it is. Sorry. Wildcard asterisk to import all available classes, right? So the only available class out of all these classes is the myLocation class. I'm going to use the Java type command here, right? Type and myLocation.java, right? So you can see that's the only one that's public there, right? If we type, for example, city.java, right? You can see it does not have the public keyword in front of the class city, so it's not an available one. So by doing just this very location.star, the only one that's really available is myLocation. In other words, well, let's go ahead and say that. I'll just show you what happens if we try to use city on that. All right, so let's go ahead and Java C location / hello location about me / hello.java, right? Compile that and use the Java runtime to invoke the hello class inside of the about me package. Okay, so that's the way that works there. So just to prove to you that we can't directly do something like this, like city C equals new city, right? Let's go ahead and save that. I'll show you what happens there when we try to recompile that, right? City is not public in location, right? Location is our package. Cannot be accessed outside package, right? So that's basically what we're getting there. We're getting the error right here in this city and the error on this city right here trying to invoke a constructor for it. So that is basically how that gets all secured up. All right, let's go ahead and take this out of that and let's save this again. Clear our screen, recompile it just so we're good for the next tutorial. Run it, and there we go. We are good. So that's basically how the location statement works. Pretty simple. Saves us a lot of typing. I'm going to go ahead and close out of this, close out of that. That concludes this tutorial. Thanks for watching.